Hi everyone and welcome to the Sunny Studio 6th birthday blog hop. Sunny Studio is turning 6, so for the occasion you can join me and the design team for a birthday blog hop. There are prizes to win at every stop of this hop. I will talk about that in a minute. And you also get a 20% discount of Sunny Studio branded products using the code 6years at checkout through August 30th. And a free mini ornament die will be included in every order while supplies last. So make sure to hop along and to comment under the design team's blog post for a chance to win a prize. And one last final announcement, I am thrilled to be joining Sunny Studio design team. I find Sunny Studio's design super cute and I love that 99% of the images can be mixed. It's no secret that my all-time favorite thing is to create stories and scenes on my cards. And Sunny Studio stamps and dies allow me to do this. So this is the card I've made for the blog hop. It features two brand new stamp sets that will be available on August 27th. They're called Holiday Express and Fall Friends. I also used spring scenes for the two trees, country scenes for the tree border, and also Happy Harvest for the crows and sunflowers. As always, I prepped all my images off screen. I stamped them all using an alcohol marker-friendly black ink and used the coordinating dies to cut everything. And I picked some fall marker combos to color everything. So now a little bit more about this blog hop and the prizes you could win. On each design team blog post, you have the opportunity to win a $25 gift code to use on sunnystudios.com. This giveaway runs through August 27th, and the winners will be announced on the Sunny Studio Facebook group. Maybe you can't remember everything I said, and I'm sure that my French accent sometimes doesn't help. So to make sure that you have all the information, and just in case I have forgotten something, I've made a recap in the description box below and on my blog as well, so you can check them out to read all the details about this amazing blog hop. So I turned the super cute Holiday Express train into a Fall Express train. Just by changing the colors, you can bring an image to a whole different world. And then I created a very simple sky on a slimline panel. I just used a cloud stencil along with tumbled glass distress ink to make a fall cloudy sky. And I added a bit of texture by mixing some faded jeans distress ink with water. And once my panel was dry, I assembled everything on it, starting with the tree border that I stuck using foam sticky tape. I also needed to ground the scene. The train definitely couldn't go on the grass, so I cut a dark gray strip. I added a little bit of black soot distressing on top of it to make it less flat. I attached that strip at the bottom of my panel and then stuck a very thin black strip at the top of it. And then I assembled some of the images with the wagons and stuck everything on my panel using foam squares. When the scene was complete, I attached my slimline panel on a card base, and I also stamped my sentiment that reads, "Friends like you are such a blessing." And that's it, all done. The train is about to arrive at the station, and it looks like those cute little guys are ready for fall. I hope that you like this new card. Don't forget to check my blog and hop along for a chance to win a prize. Like I said before, all the details are listed below. Thank you so much for watching and see you very soon. Bye!